In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Strava for walking. Strava isn't just for runners and cyclists. It's a great way to capture your walks with accurate distance, pace, time, and a map of your route, all powered by your phone's GPS. I'll guide you through starting your first walk, saving it, and finding your stats afterward, plus a few tips to keep your tracking reliable. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone and logging into your account. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see the record option along the bottom. Before recording, make sure location access is set up properly. Strava needs permission to use your phone's GPS, so when prompted, allow location access. Also, double-check that your phone's location or GPS setting is turned on. This is essential for accurate tracking and a clean route map. Now you're ready to begin. Tap record at the bottom of the app, then choose walk as your activity type so Strava categorizes it correctly. Give the GPS a moment to connect. A strong lock helps prevent jagged lines or missing distance in your route. When you're set, tap the orange start button to begin your walk. While you're moving, Strava tracks several details automatically. You'll see your distance increase as you go, your current and average walking pace, and the total time you've been out. Your route is drawn on the map in real time, and Strava also records elevation so you can see how much you've climbed. Keep your phone with you and avoid covering it deep inside bags to help the GPS maintain a clear signal. When you're finished, tap Stop, then tap Finish to move to the summary screen. Here, you can add an activity title, attach photos from your walk, and jot down notes if you want to remember conditions or how the route felt. When everything looks good, tap Save Activity. Your walk will appear in your Strava feed and can be viewed by you and, depending on your privacy settings, your followers. After saving, you'll see your full walking stats, total distance, total time, average pace, your route map, and elevation gain. If you ever want to revisit past walks, head to your profile to browse your activity history and compare routes or paces over time. A few quick tips for better tracking. Keep your phone battery above 20%. Allow Strava to run in the background so it doesn't pause recording. Avoid battery saver modes during long walks, and give the GPS a few seconds to connect before you start. Enjoy your walk and your data.